Hello, in this video I am going to showcase how to package a project in Python and how to upload it and publish it on primary Python package index, that is pypy.org, or test pypy org, that is test.pypy.org. So let me show you first this simple project structure and robo. Here we can see these are just text files, right, wherein I have just capture useful commands. And then this is the project directory Anrobo, in which we have this package Anrobo. Inside it we have another package CLI, and this is blank file ini, nothing else. This is main file that is having just this section of code which is doing what, like importing main method from this package anrobo.cli, which is here, and calling this method that is imported main method. And what this main method is, so go to anrobo CLI and ini, inside this ini, and it is not doing much, just printing this message namaste world, nothing else, right? So this was the project structure, and this is again, it is an auto generated directory by setup tools, that's a build system. Again, this is virtual environment, this is git ignore file, and these files are pretty much important. And this one is the very much important, that that holds the project structure of this project Anrobo, right? So let me open this. You can go and check this documentation for details, right, what it is doing. So let me copy and open it for now. For example, this here, right? So this is all the documentation related to what this file hold, right? pyproject.toml specification, so you need to follow it. So this is the smallest, I mean what I say, minimal structure that we need to package and upload it on any to any of these targets primary package index, that is pypy.org or test.pypy.org, right? So this is where we are selecting the build system. We are using setup tools for building our package, setup tools, right? You can have more information regarding setup tools. Go to browser and search for setup tools, and you will get specification. Here is the documentation, right? You can go through this documentation to learn how setup tools works, right? So I have selected this tool for building our package, setup tools, and then these are the project details. So project name, version, authors, maintainers. Again, you can go through this documentation that I just shared it. This is the URL, how to capture these informations, and what are the valid tags and attributes of the TOML file, right? So these are description, readme file, that is why readme.md is needed. This is another version of readme.md, just difference is the extension, right? Keywords you can provide, classifiers, and then Python version that is required, minimum Python version, that is 3.8. dependencies you can mention here, right? These dependencies you are not required, so let me close it, right? And you can supply a number of project URLs right here, and then script. Here I have mentioned this script and given the name Anrobo, and this is the path, like nrobo package, then inside CLI, nrobo, CLI, and then main method. So in ini we have this method defined, right? So this was the quick explanation of project structure and the very essential file, that is pyproject.yml, right? This is needed to configure, so I have configured it for you. So let me go to the next steps, and that is, now we have to build the project, right? For building the project, you need to install this build utility, like this command. I have already installed it, so let me show you. There is no need, right? Requirements already satisfied. You can upgrade it if already installed to the latest version, but again I have the latest version already installed, so I don't need again. Now you need to build your packages. So run the command python minus python 3 build, and it will build your packages, right, under the distribution directory, and that is, we can say, it has created dynamically, and it has created 2 files for distributions. Then next step is check the status of build files packages. So again you need to install twin. I have already installed it, so I do not need to reinstall. You can see these are already satisfied. And again, if you want to upgrade it, run this command to the latest version. It will upgrade to the latest version, and again finally check the health of the distribution files. Both are passed, and now let's upload it to the, here we are going to upload it on test.pypy.org, right, instead of primary index, that is pypy.org. Let me upload it. Right now it is uploading to this repository. So this is the URL. Our packages are already published, so let me open them. Here is our package on test.pypy.org, right? And to install it, we can copy this URL, and I have created another project, right, and let me delete this directory, right? Okay, so let's create first a virtual environment, venv, because I don't want to install it on my default Python system. Instead, I want to install this package into my virtual environment. So I created it. Let me activate it. So venv being activate, right? And here we can see now I'm going to install it. So there is an error on, let me show you that error first. So this is the version. So you see, and due to this error, could not find a version that satisfies the requirement setup tools greater than equal to 40.8.0. This is not related to our package, right? This is related to something else, and that is related to this test.pypy.org, because it has not any version of setup tools. Let me show you. Here you can see setup tools is not present here. That's why it is giving error. Whereas if you go to primary Python package index and search for it, you will find, right? Let me show you. you see, right? And the same on, if you go to taste.pypy.org, you won't find, right? That's why it is giving error. So in order to cope with that, let me just for illustration purpose, let me install. By the way, let's show the list of packages that are already installed. Only one package, right? And let me install setup tools, right? Setup tools, you see now. So the list, now setup tools are already there. So if we try to install my Anrobo package, it should allow, no? Okay, since this is related to related not to our package, related to this repository, so no need to bother about it. Let's do one thing, let's upload this package this time on primary index, right, instead of test.pypy.org, because there it will work, right? And let's try to install it from primary package index, and this time I do not need to specify these things, and just we need to provide package name, right? This time it should work, because there we have setup tools already on that environment. And let's try to list our package list, and here we can see now we have our package installed with version, latest version that we mentioned here. No, this is not the latest version, right? Let's do one thing, let's upgrade it. See, now we have latest version installed, right? And as I already explained it, what this will do now we can use this utility, and what it will do, it will call our man method, and that will print namaste world message. You see, that was about how to package Python project and upload it to pypy.org, that is the primary Python package index. And issue with, we also covered the issue with taste.pypy.org, right? Because there we do not have any version of setup tools, and that will give you an error that we already see. So this was about packaging and distribution in Python. So hope you like this video, and subscribe my channel and for more updates, right? Thank you.